Hey guys, welcome back to another What's Cooking video. Today I'm making a pot of delicious chili for dinner. All right guys, so let's get started. So I'm in Connecticut, and if you've been having as much snow as we have, this chili is much needed. I went ahead and added 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to my Dutch oven, along with 1 medium onion diced and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. I'm just going to stir that up and allow the onions to get translucent, and then I'm going to add in about 2 pounds of ground beef. Of course, I'm using butcher box ground beef because that's the only ground beef I use. I just think it's really good. It's fresh. I'm never disappointed when my delivery comes in. So I'm just going to mix up my ground beef and stir it in with the onions and cook it down a little before adding in the dry seasoning. Right, so let's start building some flavor for our chili. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 tablespoons of cumin, salt and pepper. For the salt and pepper, it's all to taste. Add in as little or as much as you'd like. Now I'm just going to stir everything up, making sure to fully cook the beef. There should be no pink still left in the beef, and also making sure that all of the ground beef is coated in my seasoning. Now that my beef is cooked, I'm going to add in 2 cans of tomato sauce, 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I like to use the fire roasted garlic and the basil garlic oregano. The combination is delicious. I'm also going to use 1 can of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Stir everything up, making sure that everything is combined. So guys, now I'm going to add in 1/2 of a green onion, which I've diced up really small, along with some thyme. I'm just going to remove the leaves from the stem and then mix it into my chili, making sure that it's well combined. Then I'm going to add in 2 cans of beans, but guys, this is where you can get creative. I like to use red kidney beans along with small white beans, but you can use any combination that you'd like. Just get the beans out of the can, make sure you rinse them really well and drain them before adding them to your chili. I'm just going to stir everything up, and then I'm going to add in the best part of it all. I'm going to add in 1 cup of roasted corn. Guys, these are the roasted corn from Trader Joe's. If you know, you know. Then I'm just going to get this stirred in and thin out this chili with 2 cups of beef broth. Guys, if you want a thicker chili, I would say use about 1.5 cups of the beef broth. If you want more of a looser chili, I would use 2 to 2.5 cups of the broth. Then I'm just going to re-season this chili with the same combination of dry seasonings that I used on my beef. And I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar and stir everything up. Guys, it's always good to take this time to taste your chili to decide if you want to add in more seasoning. Then I'm just going to cover it up and allow it to cook down for another 5 minutes before adding in some cilantro for taste. And there you have it, guys. Delicious, hearty, bone-warming chili. This will warm anyone up in the coldest weather. So guys, thanks again for taking the time to watch another one of my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.